At a recent IEEE 802.3 standard meeting in Phoenix, Arizona, CommScope successfully demonstrated the technical feasibility of Category 8 cabling with RJ45 connectivity for 40 gigabit Ethernet. This important demonstration paves the way for new solutions that will take advantage of the developing standard. Today, we're getting the news straight from the source. Richard May, Director of R&D for CommScope's Enterprise Division.
Category 8 cabling specifications are moving full steam ahead in ISO, IEC, and TIA standard development organizations. The IEEE 802.3 NGBASE T study group finished its study and developed objectives, request project authorization, and met the 5 criteria needed to justify a new 40NGBASE T project. IEEE 802.3 approved the project in March 2013 and formed a task force to establish a 40NGBASE T standard by late 2015. IEEE 40NGBASE T is 4 times faster than 10NGBASE T and will therefore require roughly 4 times the bandwidth of 10NGBASE T. This worked out to 4 times 400 MHz or 1600 MHz. Individual studies by physical layer experts has confirmed the optimum bandwidth of 40NGBASE T is between 1600 and 1800 MHz. This requires new cabling that is specified to 2000 MHz, allowing for some cushion beyond 1600 and 1800 MHz. 10NGBASE T turned out to be very difficult for physical layer developer to apply because of its 100-meter target reach. We learned that the target reach must be carefully studied to arrive at a reasonable trade-off between customer utility and PHY complexity. To correct this issue at 40G, the Standard Committee reviewed surveys and analyzed data center architecture to determine ideal customer utility. They analyzed cold margin and power consumption to determine PHY complexity. As a result, 30-meter was considered sufficient to cover end-of-row topology in data center, while simplifying physical layer complexity over 10NGBASE T in many aspects, including power consumption. For 40NGBASE T was initially targeted to address the connection between SS switches and servers, or server links. Additionally, CommScope engineers are already beginning to research 40NGBASE T solutions for future applications. There are hundreds of millions of Ethernet ports in service around the globe, so BASE T boasts an impressive track record. In fact, balanced twisted pair is the only media that offer gradual migration from 1 gig to 10 gig to 40 gig. So 40NGBASE T will provide a cost-effective solution to support the increasing bandwidth demands of server links in data centers. For 40NGBASE T can be used for non-data center applications on a selected basis. It can be used as a backhaul application for next-generation wireless access point, which are already pushing 7.3 gigabit per second. Potentially, it could be used as a consolidation media for other premises where the distance is less than 30 meters. Claims that Category 7 or 7A can support 40 gig up to larger distances are unfounded. Contribution from major chip vendors make it clear that power consumption would be prohibitive at these distances, even with Category 7A specification extended in frequency. IEEE has clearly incorporated this into their approved objectives to define a single 40 gigabit per second physical layer supporting operation over 30 meters of balanced twisted pair cabling with 2 connections. At this point, there's no planned IEEE 40NGBASE T applications that extend beyond 30 meters. CommScope has supported Category 8 and 40NGBASE T alongside TIA, ISO, and IEEE from inception through all stages of development. Our support of balanced twisted pair cabling in the demonstration of technical feasibility, market opportunity, and cost efficiency has been instrumental in helping the LAN industry adopt Category 8 and 40NGBASE T. This effort involves significant advances in copper cabling technologies that will have a positive impact on LAN network customers for many years into the future. For many years, Ethernet over twisted pair and RJ45 connectivity has been widely accepted as a cost-effective networking option for data center and commercial buildings. while other media choices like fiber and twin-axial cabling exist for 40G transmission. None are optimized for end-of-roll deployment in a data center environment. 40G-BASE T is designed to fill this application gap. Since BASE T technology is backward compatible, data center managers can evolve their networks gradually and cost-efficiently.